Hi Pisces, welcome to my channel Falcon Tarot. This is a monthly reading for August. How we'll go about with the video is the top row is for you, the bottom row is for your person, but feel free to switch if you like. However, for me the top row is always for the sign I do the video for. Now let's quickly jump and see what this particular month has in store for you. So the first card that I see for you is the Four of Cups, the Six of Swords, and the King of Wands. Person B has the Two of Cups, the Magician card, and the Nine of Pentacles. We'll also go ahead and see what is the mutual feeling that both of you have, what is the blockage in the relationship, and what is the outcome of this relationship. The bottom of the deck right now I see is the Four of Cups, which means that there could be some kind of boredom right now. You are not interested in anything, and it could be because you are going ahead and uh, putting in the time and effort on something else, and you just don't want to go ahead and do something. Okay, so with the Four of Cups and the Six of Swords, it means that you feel that this has kind of become a burden here, and you want to go ahead and let your person know that this relationship may be kind of becoming a burden for you. Okay, and you want to go ahead and take some time off for some of you. Okay, again, it's not for all of you, it's for some of you. Okay, now this person wants to go ahead and recharge and come back, and while they go ahead and do this, they want to go ahead and understand what are they doing. Okay, because this person is very confident about themselves. With the King of Wands energy, this person is very confident, but with the Wands energy, they mostly look at the physical pleasures of the relationship, but they don't want to connect emotionally with somebody. Now the second person, person B here, has the Two of Cups, which means that this person has mutual love for you. They feel that for you and they want to express it to you. The next card is the Magician card, which means that they want to command or make use of all the four elements and ensure that things work in their favor. Now be a little careful with this Magician energy. There could be some kind of a trickery that this person may come up to. Okay, so you need to be a little careful here. The other thing that I see is that in case if this doesn't work out, this person will go ahead and be independent and single. That's the energy that they have decided that they will move into. Now the mutual feeling that I see for both of you is the Three of Wands, which means that both of you are currently stuck. Nobody is moving, nobody is doing anything. The blockage in the relationship is the Knight of Pentacles, which means both of you are moving so slow that it looks like both of you are not interested to each other. You don't want to put in that effort also. The outcome of the relationship is the Three of Pentacles, which could mean outside forces or a third party situation for some of you. So just be a little careful. If there's something like this which is going on, you might want to have a conversation with your person. Now let's also go ahead and quickly see what is the intention of this person for you this particular month. The first one is the Tower card. The next is the Eight of Swords and the Two of Wands. With the Tower card, it could be an unexpected incident that may happen, and because of this everything which was built on faulty grounds will come crumbling down. This person will feel stuck, okay, blindfolded and stuck in a situation. They will not know how to move out, and it could be with regards to two options. Again, it could be two people, two jobs, two things. Okay, anything where there was a plan B. Now let's also go ahead and see what is the message from archangels and a crystal that can help you in this situation. So the crystal that I see for you is Cobra Jasper. The crystal messages: have you been getting outdoors enough? It is time to reconnect with nature. Get out there and put your hands on the earth. Garden, walk in nature, play with the animals, and allow the earth beneath your feet and the sun above your head to nurture and realign you. The message here from Archangel Thurel, I'll put that in the description box. You can read it out from there. That's all that I have for you for this particular month. If you like the content of the video, please like, share, subscribe, hit that bell notification. Until the next video, stay safe, love yourself first.